Hey guys, Chrissy Tracy here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled peach, romaine, and blueberry salad, which is one of my summertime favorites, using my Char-Broil infrared grill. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is just half our peaches. We're just gonna head on over to our grill and get started with that process. I created an olive oil marinade, which I will brush onto the veggies before they hit the grill. Infrared, baby. One thing I really love about this grill is it's really easy to get it started. So right here, you've got your little igniter button. All you've gotta do is press that button and light your flame. One thing that's really great about our Char-Broil grill here is that if you notice, there's no room for anything to spill through the bottom of these grates because of the way they've built the grates underneath. They divert heat around the grill surface itself. And these little holes in the grill actually allow for more of an even cooking temperature. Cook it about 4 to 5 minutes per side until you see some nice little grill marks or that, your surface has caramelized. Oh, look at that sunlight, how it hits it so beautifully. Again, the artist in me, I get so excited about the little things. If you want a deeper char than this, you can keep it on longer. That's just totally up to you. We'll start with some blueberries. Take a few sunflower seeds here for that nice added crunch factor to the salad. And we'll plate our peaches in there. Grill side up because that is what counts here. We also have some blueberry vinaigrette here. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. So that was a mix of olive oil, blueberries, a little bit of lemon for brightness, and salt and black pepper. And when you're working with really good ingredients, salt and black pepper do go a long way. So although you can be adventurous with your spice palette, that's sometimes all you really need. So we're just gonna drizzle this. I'm just gonna go in with a squeeze of lemon for added brightness. And that'll balance out all of the flavors really well. So this is the one way we have to enjoy our grilled peach salad with blueberry vinaigrette and grilled romaine. So the second way that we could use our grilled peaches is for a nice, very simple dessert using your favorite vanilla bean ice cream. You could use salted caramel if you wanted, but because I have this on hand right now, what I'm gonna do is grab one or two of those grilled peaches, actually just plate it with a nice scoop of ice cream or two, actually a little bit of brown sugar, just for some added sweetness to our grilled peaches, and we also have a little bit of vanilla granola, so I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top as well. Feel free to use cinnamon or any other warming spices that you might like. Is a grilled peach with a little bit of vanilla bean ice cream and a little bit of granola, and it is a very nice sweet treat with a tad bit of smoky savoriness from that peach. So yeah. We made this delicious grilled peach blueberry salad and a quick sweet treat for the summer as well using our grilled peaches, and I hope you enjoy.